Bantu Knots. Because every time I was over there, they used to get Bantu Knots. And they're cute. So,
hey guys, so we're jumping straight into it, starting off on fresh blow dried hair. So we're doing this style on stretched hair. As you can see, I'm parting her hair now. I do this for two reasons. The blown out hair makes it less painful for her, and she likes that it makes it puffier for her hair type. So Bantu knots, you can do them two different ways. In this video, I'm doing them with twist first. So you're gonna part this section. I'm adding shea butter to her hair for moisture and a little bit of mousse to keep the curl, not too much because you don't want the hair to be stiff. So you're gonna part the hair and detangle and start to twist. You wanna make the twist tight all the way down. And then you're gonna start to rotate the hair on itself, clockwise. And don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you a close-up of this soon. Hey guys, so I'm back with a close-up. I'm gonna start by adding some beeswax or jam to her edges to control the frizz and keep the parts separated. I'm moisturizing her hair again with shea butter and adding a little bit of mousse to hold the curl. I'm gonna detangle and get ready to start the Bantu knots. Separate the hair in half as evenly as you can and start twisting down the shaft of her hair. After you finish twisting the hair, you're gonna rotate clockwise. You wanna keep the twist tight as you wrap the hair around itself. If the Bantu knot is too tight, you're gonna loosen it a little bit by turning it the opposite direction, counterclockwise, to release some of the tension. I'm gonna finish her hair and I'll be back to show you what the takedown looks like.
So we're on the last one, which is basically finished now. So today's a new day, and I'm gonna be taking out my Bantu Knots. Some already fell out. But it's okay. Some already.
To take out the Bantu knots, you want to find the end of the hair and rotate the hair the opposite direction, so counterclockwise. You want to make sure your hands are coated with oil to release some of the frizz. And then you're going to untwist the curl. This is the final result before separation. If you guys try this style out, please let me know how you like it. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll be back each week with a new video. Thank you.